Where do I start when summarizing a large textbook chapter? Imagine opening a thick textbook chapter and feeling overwhelmed by all the information. The key is to break it down into smaller, easier-to-handle parts. Start by looking at the chapter's headings, subheadings, and any words that are bolded or highlighted. These clues help you see what the main ideas are and how the content is organized. Once you have a sense of the structure, read each section carefully. As you go, underline or highlight the most important points and jot down quick notes or questions in the margins. This keeps you engaged and makes it easier to review later. After finishing a section, pause and put the main ideas into your own words. Write a short summary sentence or two that captures what that part is about. Do this for every section in the chapter. When you finish, you'll have a bunch of smaller summaries. Now, combine these into a single, clear overview of the entire chapter. Focus on the core concepts and the most important details, and leave out minor or less relevant information. This method turns a dense, long chapter into manageable pieces. It helps you understand and remember the material better because you're actively working with the content. Writing summaries forces your brain to process what you've read, making it stick more. Organizing your notes in a logical way, even if it means changing the order from the original, can make your review clearer and more effective. Using techniques like the Cornell note-taking method, which divides your notes into cues, detailed notes, and summaries, can support this process. Starting small and building up to a full chapter summary is a smart study trick. It reduces stress and helps you focus on what really matters. This approach is especially helpful for long or complicated chapters, making large amounts of information easier to review and remember.